Welcome back to the channel. Today we have unboxing and review. I've got Bluetooth earbuds that was given to me. It's a nice set of Sounpeats. I'm going to open the box and we'll have a look and see what's in the box, and then I'll be doing a detailed review over the next few days. I'm going to be trying this out at gym and seeing how it performs under running conditions, as well as doing various weight trainings and just see if it stays in the ear, and also sound quality. So let's open the box up and let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so what we get is a case, and we have the earbuds in the casing. So let's just pull one out. As you can see, it's flashing, so it needs to be charged up. The case is magnetic. USB charge port. USB charger. Some additional earplugs. And documentation. That's basically all that's in the box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be testing this over the next few days, and I'm going to give you guys a review and tell you how this works.